Hi guys, today I'll be reviewing the MacBook Air. Guess what? I got this as a gift from my hubby and I'm about to unbox it for everyone here. Let's go ahead and take a look at what is right in this box. So come with me, let's go. Now, just so you know, the MacBook Air is a great device, but it has a long learning curve if you have never used an Apple product before, just so you know. So the new MacBook Air is also worth considering as it comes with the same M2 chip as the MacBook Pro 13-inch, but with a thinner design and a slightly larger screen. So let's go ahead and open this beauty. Well, if you're new here, my name is Miriam. I am a wife. I'm so excited. I'm a wife, I'm a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, a fashion designer, and a YouTuber. If you're new here, please go ahead and introduce yourself in the comments. I want to know you. I want to meet you. Where are you watching from? Do you have a MacBook? Or do you use Apple products? Leave a comment as well leave a comment for me. Yes, and if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Don't forget to like this video. Please share this video with your friends. Tell a friend, and check out my other videos on grants. If you're looking for grants for your small businesses, go check out my previous videos on grants, scholarship opportunities, fully funded conferences, and what have you. Guys, can you see what I'm saying? Can you see what I'm saying, guys? Now my MacBook Air comes in a rose gold. I don't know, I think my husband is just good day. I like the color, like it's super cool, very cute. And yeah, Apple is actually giving you a choice when it comes to chargers. Yes, the base model Air comes with the familiar 30-watt brick that has been around for years, but the step-up models provide a choice between a new compact 35-watt charger with a 2 USB-C ports. Yes, I will show you the USB ports. I'll show you right here. Yeah, you can see. But the step-up models provide a choice between a new compact 35-watt charger with the 2 USB-C ports and a more powerful 67-watt brick borrowed from the MacBook Pro line. Now, the larger brick can charge the MacBook Air's battery 50% in 30 minutes. You can see that's the USB cable that comes with it, in case you want to plug it directly or you want to use it inside the fuse itself, so that's the manual that comes with it as well. Yes, so guys, these Apple MacBook Air has an amazing design. I'm telling you, it has an amazing design. So the charger is actually very long. That's one thing I really appreciate about it. Like, you can be sitting like more than a yard away, about 2 yards, almost 2 yards away, and you can still plug your laptop, so it gives you that convenience of moving around and not too close to the sockets, to the charging ports, just because you want to work on your laptop. So guys, come with me, let's go, let's open this beauty. I'm so excited. So yeah, that's the pack. It is sizzling, as you can see. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling this laptop. I'm feeling this lappy. I'm telling you. So let's go ahead and open it too, guys. I'm saying, 2, 3, 2, 1, 0. I think it has like a sticker you have to take off. It's pretty sealed. So let's take it off together. Ooh, voila! So it's gonna come up. So let's go ahead. Can you see it's turning on for the first time? Hello. Yes, so see, Apple MacBooks are great laptops. Contrary to what you might be thinking, the MacBook Air is arguably one of the most powerful portable computers you can get. If you are after the best laptop, pretty much any MacBook is guaranteed to fit the bill. Yes, so I don't know this language. Well, I don't know the current language that this thing is writing. But anyways, or join. So Apple is giving you a choice when it comes to chargers. I already mentioned that. So guys, you can actually plug it directly or you can use the port, and MagSafe charging also means that you can effectively gain a USB port, but they are still both on the left hand side. It has 2 ports on the left hand side. As in this lappy, I don't know, it's like, I don't know. We're really looking into the future. The future of technology is here. So my review units actually came with 35-watt charger, while it's compact and portable. So I personally opt for the more powerful charger. So I really wish that Apple had put just two ports on the more powerful brick, although there are plenty of other third-party options with more power and more ports than the Apple options, and they work just as fine as the MacBook Air. But here I'm trying to set it up with my user ID, my face recognition, my thumbprint, and you can do your thumbprint. It has one port on the topmost right corner of the keyboard, yes, where you can you can register your thumb on it, and then you also have the Apple Pay. You click on anything, you're paying, no time, no story, so I think in all of this, I think it is some of the features that I really enjoy about this MacBook Air is the thinner, lighter design. It's actually sleek, I'm telling you, and it has a much improved screen. Like, it's an experience. If you have a MacBook Air, I'm sure you can testify to what I'm saying, as in it's on point. Yes, the webcam is okay. However, I use a 4K webcam on it, so I might show it to you. I'm an influencer, so I get all these things for free. So a company sends me the 1080p webcam, and I'm like, this is just looking regular, basic. So they sent me another 4K webcam, which I installed. It's just pretty easy. Just take it out, install, and maybe if you're using if you're using Zoom, if you're on Zoom, you can select the USB port, as against the webcam that comes with the laptop, so that you can use the external webcam instead of the webcam that comes with this laptop. Yes, yes, all the battery life. The battery life is pink. I'm telling you, it's so on point, and it has great performance for most tasks. Yes, and the MagSafe charging is very, very convenient. Yes, and I say it again, it is remarkably thin. Just a smidge over 11 millimeters, and that's the thickness is immediately noticeable when you open the lid and start typing on it. You can also notice it whenever you slot it into a bag or carry it around. Like, I put this lappy in my bag, in my purse, I'm telling you, and I'm good to go. Like, it's not slinging out of the bag. Like, hey guys, it's about to go down. Check behind the scenes. So guys, I would highly recommend this laptop to anyone who is looking for a laptop that works like a laptop should, fast and for a long time. Find the link in the description if you're planning to get one.